today what we're going to do is we're going to move on to hands-on equations, and we're going to look at lesson 11. So again, what I want you to do is I want you to put your first and last name. Okay, a lot of you are not putting your last name. It's really hard when I'm looking at your papers when you don't do that. Okay, I'd like you to put hour 7. Believe it or not, I still got kids that aren't doing that. Yep.
So we gotta put notes on our homework?
Yeah, put your notes on your homework, then you have it all there when you enter it in. Good question. Okay, I want you to put lesson 11. For some of you, I'm still looking at that stuff. And we're going to do 1 through 10. Okay, and we're going to look at example B on lesson 11. Okay, so I'm going to go to my app. I'm going to look at lesson 11. And you'll notice that I have 3x plus star, 3x equals star plus 4. Okay, and I'm going to set this up. So I've got 1, 2, 3 x's equals x plus 4. Okay, now in the past, I would take x's from each side, right? Can I do that? No. Can I take stars from each side? I can't do that either. Remember, what I want to do is I want to make sure that all my pawns are on one side and all my numbers are on the other side. So I want x equals, 10, or x equals 15, okay? And so I've got a problem. Do you notice I got a star right by that 4? You see that? Okay? I can't take anything away, but I can add something. So I need to get rid of this, so what should I add to my white pawn to get rid of it? I'm going to add an x. So what I add to one side, I add to the other side. Okay, and then you'll notice they will cancel out or explode, right? So then I end up with 4x equals 4. So I'm going to go back to my notes. And again, my original problem was 3x equals star plus 4. I'm going to add x to both sides. 4x equals x plus star plus 4. This is the part kids are forgetting. You're forgetting to subtract an x, subtract a star. Anytime you do something, you need to show it. So 4x equals 4. Now what do I do? By? Yes, I'm going to divide by 4 because it's the number that's in front of my x. So I end up with x equaling 1 and star equaling -1. Yep, and I'm going to circle my answer, square my answer. Okay, then I go to the other side and I do my check. I write the original problem, 3x equals star plus 4. I'm going to take out the x and put in the 1. Take out the star, put in -1. And I just go ahead and do what I've done before. 3 equals 3, and it's a check. Any questions on this? Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on. And I'm going to do example C. So I'm going to go back to my app. Okay, and here's the problem. 4x plus star plus 1 equals 2x plus 5. I'm sorry, it's less than 10. My bad. I'm sorry. Go back to 11. I'm sorry. Thank you for catching that. All right, 3x equals 2 star plus 15. Okay, so I'm going to set this up. 3x, 1, 2, 3 equals 2 star plus 15. I'm going to take a 1 and a 5 to represent that. Okay. Right, can I take anything from either side? No. Okay, what do I want to get rid of? Yes.
2 stars.
I want to get rid of these 2 stars because they're next to this 15. I want that by itself. It's like a little brother that you want out of your room. Okay? But I can't subtract it. So if I can't subtract it, what do I need to add?
Another brother.
I need to add 2 brothers, right? I need to add your 2 sisters to get rid of your 2 brothers, right? I'm kidding. So I'm going to add 2x. I'm going to add its opposites. And then these 2 explode. Minus 2x, minus 2 star. So now let's go back to our paper representation of this. I had 3x equals 2 star plus 15. And again, I added 2x. So I had 5x equals 2 star plus 2x plus 15. Okay, again, I want this 15 by itself. That's why I'm getting rid of it. So again, what students are having trouble with is they're not subtracting the 2 star and the 2x. Make sure that you do that. So I've got 5x equals 15. Now what do I do? Divide by?
I think 5.
Divide by 5. Very good. It's the number in front of the x. X gives me, star gives me. That's correct. Okay, so then my check. Three x equals 2 star plus 15. 3 times 3 equals 2 times negative 3 plus 15. 9 equals negative 6 plus 15. 9 equals 9. Let's check. Are there any questions on lesson 11? Something you don't understand? Do you need me to do another one?
No.
We're okay?
Yeah.
Now, lesson 12. There's going to be no video. Okay? You're going to do it exactly the same as lesson 11. Don't watch the app movie. There won't be any video for me. You got to do example B and C, but you do it identical to what we just did. Okay? Both of them are due together. So when you do them tomorrow, do lesson 11, staple it, put it in my box. Then do lesson 12, staple it, and put it in my box. Keep them separate. Yes. Yes. It's going to be a good review. A lot of kids got it done last hour. And tomorrow, I got a quiz set up. And it's not a homework quiz, it's a quiz. Any other questions on this assignment? Okay.